So for once, I'm not introducing the ride on a point of view with me going forward. It's going to be me studying. 2 days in Wales, starting at Dole. We're going to work across the coast to Barmouth, and back. So realistically, it's a route that's been prepared a little bit by myself, a little bit by a good friend of ours called Jay. He is an exceptional map writer and creator. Very privileged that he gave us a hand actually on 2 of the routes that I've got for Saturday and Sunday for the boys. Short group today, there's only 5 of us in total.
Anyways, got some quite positive feedback from my other YouTube videos about the whole talking thing. People like it, it would seem. Yeah, it would seem people like it, they prefer it. However, in this video anyway, I don't have a great deal to talk about. I've not been very active. So with this ride, my plan is to sort of mix standing and sitting, because we've got 2 days and I've got all of my sort of foods that I need with us, and I hate being one of them people that follow trends, but I've actually started dropping onto them fuels and Y food. Probably not for everybody, but it's the calories, it's the 500 calories. They're really good when you're absolutely gassed. I know they say it's like a meal replacement, I don't really care about that. For me it's really the calories that I need. Mainly the calories. So, and I will say it's not a sponsor at all. Well, I've got wet boots now. Anyway, yeah, food. I've got a lot of carby stuff, carb gels, because this route particularly is quite a difficult one, and I certainly don't want to be gassed by the end of it. Well, more gates. Did you see a farmer? Give him a wave, he gave us a wave back. It's always good. So on this route, I'm probably going to end up repeating myself. It is an assisted route that's been made by Jay. And I can't thank him enough, because I don't share maps. I stopped doing it. A long time ago, I helped people by doing it. And the big issue you get with doing it is people abuse the lane. They share, they don't check the maps, they just assume. Then you get TR road lanes that have been ridden on, and this is the big issue we're facing. People just abuse them. So, I watched a lot of YouTube videos on this matter, and in the end there was a lot of contributing factors. Oil level height being one, clutch master cylinder being faulty, that was another, clutch stack height being wrong, Belleville washer being warped. Probably have to bleep that out. So, Belleville washer, clutch bleeding wrong, clutch master cylinder wrong. The clutch master cylinder was actually bollocks. It had a hole in one of the seals. It was a 9mm piston, so we put a 10 in it. Some people like the 9s. One of our friends called Damo, he's big into his off-road, very talented rider. He runs the 9s and he prefers them. However, we're not really enduro riders, are we? We're just people that ride on green lanes. No, that gate is coming up pretty quick. Ooh. So, yes, we scratched our head and we also worked out KTM clutches actually have 3 sizes of plates in them. 1s, 1.4s, 1.3s, 1 and 1. So 3 sizes. It's just a sequence. And a way to put the clutch in correctly as well. There we go. Just checking the map. And to get the clutch in correctly, you have to put the steels in a particular way. That's important as well. So yeah, that was the KTM clutch saga. Also, Steve was using ATF. I don't agree with ATF. It's better in automatic transmissions and all 2-strokes, not TPIs. I just found it just didn't work. But yes, the clutch oil level height did play a point. Johnny Walker was right. The question was asked. He ran 600mm or a little bit less, but obviously that's team knowledge. He ain't gonna give me too much team knowledge, is he? Cheers, mate. We've done quite a few warm-up lanes now. I don't recognise this lane. I recognise quite a few of the others, but they were like really beautiful, pretty stuff, but it just doesn't come across in the GoPro very well. But I can't remember this one. There's a lot of people out today. There seems to be about 2 or 3 groups from the TRF. I've never actually mentioned it, but I am a member of the TRF and Glass actually, because I use their sort of mapping systems for helping, you know, find maps. Oh wow, this is rocking. This is great. sense a bit better when it comes to bigger rocks. That was hard. I lost my line a little bit then actually. That was hard. Good lane that. Really good. Ah, gutted. I just got the beats wrong on the GoPro. Really nice climb then and I missed it. That's the problem that really bugs me with GoPro. I wish the beat was louder. So yeah, I have a bit of downhill riding now. Chasing sheep. Why do they not just go right? See, that's a much smarter move, isn't it? Yeah, missed that climb. It was really, really good. I reckon Stephen would have got it. He's got his GoPro on. Oh, another gate. What a surprise. I'm dying. Jesus Christ. Slippery rock. Right, I have to push it. Get the grip. Right. Problem, a bit at the front, you've got to go for it, you get no help. Fucking Jesus. Oh, I can't believe I got up that. Right. Plan of attack. There. Need to get it in the rut.
Get it this way, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Fucking hell. Woo. Oh. Right then, boys. Just send it! You ready? That's it, that's it. Keep that throttle. Go. So, I didn't film bits of my bit going across. I actually managed fairly well. It wasn't very eventful. It was hard coming across there. Very difficult. The boys are there. Steve and Callum did really well. Callum does well on the gas. It's just a first or second gear. And oddly enough, because he runs trackers, whilst they're not the best bog tyre by no means, when he does catch a bit of rock, it sort of spits him forward, whilst with us it just spins on it. And me and Steve, other Steve upright on the beta, we were just chatting then about tyres. His tyres are an enduro style tyre. I don't actually know which one it is. It could be a Kenda, Metzler, I don't know. But I'm having a good time. The previous climb prior to that was absolutely evil. One of the hardest I've ever done. But I really enjoyed it. It was good. Having a good day, everyone's having fun. Right, this is the flat bit of the lane. I'm not going to film this bit. On to the next. That was better than the first attempt anyway. I think, what was that? Oh no, that was second. Interesting. I thought that was third. Ooh. It was third in the beginning. Then I thought I was in fourth. Now, I've never been up this lane, just not a lane that generally... I was chatting to Jay about this lane, and he said he'd put it on, but there's not really a way... Well, there is, obviously, doing a big loop, but to be honest, sometimes it is nice to do a bit of technical down. Not all the time, but, you know, I mean, and also as well, this bit, generally past, I have seen on the last 2 times down here, I've seen walkers, so us belting up here is not really the best idea. It is a bit more, let's say, public. Comes out just onto a council road down the bottom here. I'm too fat for this. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, you'll get to see some funny stuff walking down there. Film it and laugh at them. Right. Aye. Much worked out. Whilst these tyres are great for bogs, these EXXTs, they're absolutely terrible when it comes to like wet rock and anything. It's just, they don't grab, like you're either moving and then spin, you're done, smashed bike to bits. I just said I'm carrying on now. I just said to the lads I'll carry on and see what the rest of the lane's actually like. There's actually a guy on a WR250 doing all this on his own. It's mad. Sedate now, right, I'll stop filming here and I'll see you on the next. So I missed a bit on the beginning then of this downhill bit. We've done quite a few climbs now, so we are now going downhill. We're all struggling. The last climb was evil. People who've done it will know the first bit's the second bit as it goes over the road. It's a council road. Oh, right. There's another council road. I wish I knew what some of these lanes were actually called, because I know everyone talks about gold mine, motorway, bastard lane, all of them, and I don't know them. I mean, not all locals might know them, but I'm not particularly local, am I? We've had a quick peek at the map, and we are mega behind on the route, realistically. So I'm going to try and make up a bit of time as best I can. Right, let's carry on. Just rock it backwards. That should do it. I don't normally try and get up close, but I'm gonna see if I can get a bit closer to him so we can film the body, rather than it just being a point of view all the time. Oh, it's fun, isn't it? We do this as a hobby. Sure Ian gets up, we'll check on him. Right then, slate. My fucking everyone's left me. Fuck you. So, we're in ruts now, and ruts are my least favourite thing. I think I bought before's been down here, you know. My gloves are moving on my hand as well. Might have to put my other gloves back on. These ones are actually very uncomfortable. I'll wait till we get to the next gate. Yeah, they're moving around on my palm. So I've got no sort of like grip there. Some of this water is very clear. you. Should have waited. That's my own fault. Right. Yeah. A little bit of the route off. We dropped into Barmouth, had a ride through there, and then we nipped to the Gulf fuel station, which is a little bit further north, about 5.5 miles out. So I knew there was a spa across the road, so what we did is, instead of eating like a big meal and just being absolutely gassed, we just went to Spa, got some snacks, and just fueled up. And there, you know, as well at the Gulf, they had 97 sort of fuel, which is always better for the bikes anyway. I do find that the 95 is shite. Right then. Do you want me to get it? shattered. Flat, and it's not. Jesus Christ. Oh. Come on, baby. down. Thank you. Camera will not show you how steep that is down there. Little bird, following a bird in a rut. Don't land in front of me. There you go. Jesus Christ. Now I normally don't film lanes like this, but as I've been so tired, I've not been talking. I've really struggled to talk today to you lot who's watching. It's just been so hard. I know I asked for hard, and Jesus Christ, did Jay facilitate. Like, just to put it into context, right? The AM ride he'd done for us was roughly 50 miles. And yes, it was the hardest of the hard on the legal stuff, right? But we didn't complete that until 3 p.m. 3 p.m. And we didn't really stop a lot. By no means were we stopping at all. You know, we've done really well. We've tracked on and really kept on top of the time and everything else, because I wanted to be conscious and mainly because of food tonight. I don't want to miss our slot, because with it being tourist season, it's really hard to get a table in Dol at the minute. We did get a table though at the Cross Fox. Cross Foxes. Right, I'm not going to film the next bit because it's a little bit sedate and it's flat. Well, I think I remember this lane. Oh, this is hopefully the last lane of the day. We are all gassed beyond belief. As everyone's struggling, including myself. The minute I'm sat down because standing up is crippling. God knows how we're going to do tomorrow. Honestly, no idea. I'm going to have to stand up. Remember this lane on one of Midwest MX's videos. Fucking hell. Oh. Yeah. Similar sort of place to Ian there, wasn't it?
Yeah,
maybe.
That's where I'm going down to.
So, what I am doing is filming the last bit. Now there is some more lanes, however we have our table at the pub for 7:30. It's now nearly 6 o'clock, so we're going to get back, load the bikes back away and make our way to the pub once I've had a shower. So I want to stand in that shower and not move. Oh, this is deep. Oh, top man.
Doggy.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't remember it. I can't remember any of this bit at all. Bang. Right, let me figure this out.